Hi, I'm Tina Craig of Seaside Stitches. I'm a quilt teacher and speaker living in the beautiful little state of Rhode Island. I love teaching and telling the stories behind my quilts, but my favorite part of my job is meeting and connecting with quilters all over the world. I started quilting 35 years ago, and I've had the opportunity to take a lot of classes from amazingly talented quilters. Now I consider myself a curator of tips and techniques. I find it extremely helpful to try all the things, so I can use what works best for me and my current project. I try to bring that same energy to my students and the lectures I present. My lectures are jam-packed with fun stories and inspiration. In EPP versus FPP, we look at two of my favorite techniques, English paper piecing and foundation paper piecing. After a short introduction, I'll show you two quilts, one from each technique side by side, tell you a little about them, and then you'll vote for your favorite. At the end, we'll tally up the votes and declare a winner. The versatility of EPP lecture is a deep dive into English paper piecing. From traditional grandmother's flower garden to fussy cutting, curved piecing, improvisation, and three-dimensional projects, English paper piecing can do it all. The Joy of Group Quilts explores my extensive experience with block swaps, small bees, and guild projects. Group projects come with their own set of challenges, so I'll share the lessons I've learned to help you create successful group quilts. I think every quilt speaker is required to have a retrospective trunk show, so here's mine. We'll start with my beginner quilt sampler from 1990, work our way through a bunch of my favorites, and end with my most recent finish. I usually throw in a UFO as motivation for myself to get it done. My workshops are mostly technique-based, so you can take what you've learned and apply them to future projects. Please check my website for the most up-to-date offerings. I'm available to teach in person or online. As much as I love traveling, Zoom is a fabulous option for a lot of reasons. When I teach in person, I bring an overhead camera and a projector so every student can see the demos clearly. Please visit my website for all the details. Then email me if you have any questions or you're ready to book a date. I look forward to visiting you and your guild soon. Happy stitching!